Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Hyundai Elantra Sport. With the introduction of the Kia Forte GT, this is the platform mate of that car. Fitted with the same motor, 201 horsepower, and the same transmission options. You have, this one is fitted with the 7-speed dual clutch. You can also get a 6-speed manual. 1.6 liter turbo, ceramic white, and a total mileage of 28,763. So really nice clean example with pretty low mileage for the year. Good amount of back seat space. Automatic windows, all your books and manuals. I've always had a big soft spot for this car. I actually almost bought one, but I decided to go with the Focus ST. Love these seats too. Put it in sport mode. Love the flat bottom steering wheel too. I mean, just look at that. The Elantra Sport, when it was designed and released, really set its eyes on the Civic Si. And I think it caught it in its grasp and really put up a good fight. And it still does to this day. This thing just is a absolute riot. I mean, of course, you know, we're on a public road. I'm not taking this at, 10 tenths or even close to 5 tenths, maybe not even touching 3 tenths. There is a lot of capability behind this car. Here's where it's gonna get a little bit tricky because traffic is brutal. My first time going this way. Oh, look at that. A little bit of torque steer, but nothing too bad at all, not compared to the Focus ST. While it is a sportier ride, it's not beat you up harsh. It's very, very livable. Might be wondering, which one would I go with? Which car, Forte GT or Elantra Sport? Very, very close. I mean, they're really the same car. I'm not gonna try to hide that fact. They are the same exact car. But the Elantra Sport, it really feels amazing. It's been a couple months since I've driven the GT, but the Elantra Sport is a heck of a bargain, and honestly one of the best entry-level enthusiast cars out there. Create a little bit of distance. That is awesome. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.